Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and today I'm going to talk about a humidifier. This one is from April Air, and all we're doing is we're going to change it. Once you look at the filter, this is the new one that I just actually put in. I'm going to show you how to pull them out and how to pull them back in. As you can see, once you take them out, I have the old one. It's get pretty kicked up and dirty. So as the winter season comes on, you're gonna want to change this. Also, this is your setting up here, which your customer could put this to whatever they're comfortable with. And to pull this out, you could just do this. Push it out down. You pull down on this, and it goes out. So it's pretty simple. If you come up to it, it could look difficult, and then you put back in your filter and you push it in. So just to recap, you push down, you pull out. This is your drain. You want to make sure that the drain is clean. You're going to pull this out, and we're going to put some drain cleaner in here and make sure that the drains are clean. Alright guys, so I just want to show you exactly how to change the filter on these humidifier, and then you just push it back in. The cover, this is the cover here. It's gonna just snap back in, so we're gonna just put this cover in, but first we're gonna take a look at the drain and make sure that is draining properly. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe.